Parental discretion is advised.
Yo, what's poppin', my goons? We back. Oh yeah, right back to that credit game for the goons. You know who, Spontaneous Productions, part 2. We back, we live, we in effect with the goons. Live and direct with the goons. Let's connect with the goons, you heard? Pick up that phone, pick up that tablet, all that. Smash that like and subscribe button right now. We're about to get busy disputing that credit. You know, we does it. Oh yeah, it's time to get that thing blasting off. Rocket ship to the moon. Credit repair. Never hire a company ever again. Why is that? Because they got AI. Straight like that. And I'm not talking about Allen Iverson. No. I'm talking about the robots. Dispute AI. Oh yeah. Goons can get their credit disputed now with AI robots. How about that? So yo, that's the play today. Okay. They do credit coaching, pricing. This is how it works. Y'all goons love them sites, so I'm pulling up on another credit site for the goons, alright? Increase your credit score. Let's see what's happening. So yo, site for today about to pull up on, so pull up and follow along, is DisputeAIPro.com, shit like that. So all the goons pull up to DisputeAIPro.com, and over here at Dispute AI Pro, they claim to increase your credit. So let's see what's going on. Get started. It said AI robot can dispute. So basically, you just make your account. Creating an account takes a few seconds. Make an account, blah, blah, blah. Boom, boom, boom. I guess that's how you get down. They got credit coaching, dispute statistics, financial products, pricing. They say it's free. This is crazy. The most powerful credit repair software ever created is free. Wow. That is insane. Free. Only pay for a 3 credit bureau subscription and postage for your dispute letters. Wow. Insane. And who's dropping gems like this? Free AI credit repair? I don't know. Well, actually, I do know. Only one channel I know, Spontaneous Productions. Smash that like and subscribe button right now. You're playing with that goon. Yo, so $35 they say, $35. You know, you get identity fraud insurance and you get your credit monitoring alerts. They say all you pay is $35 a month. So straight like that, you want to tap in, holler at them. There you go. There goes the info right there. It's a real person, real email, real number. Let's see what's going on. That's all you pay, and the robot gets it done. Well, that's pretty interesting to me. So let's see what's going on. Let's see. That's pricing. So what they talking about? Dispute statistics. Let's see what the dispute statistics are looking like. Tongue tied again right quick. Your results after one round of disputes. Let's see. So we got Bureau, Equifax, account types, collections, public records, trade line. Wow. 225 racks, total accounts. Okay, big credit line. All repaired and deleted. Okay, so let's go right here. $288,000 in credit. Let's see. Oh, they knocked off 44,000. Okay, let's see. So 15% of that got deleted. They say after one round of disputes. Okay, not bad. I see. They do rounds of disputes. Results after 4 rounds of disputes. Okay, now let's see that same one. Wow. After 4 rounds of disputes, says all. Okay. 60,000. All. Okay. 4 rounds. Average score increase after 6 months for clients with at least 2 rounds of disputes. So they're talking about average score increase. Okay. 54% score increase. That's good. 54% increase, 29%, you know. So scores going up, that's good, you know. So basically you're saying your score could double. And there's a variety of things that could be messed up with your report. balance due error, charge off status error, open day error, payment status error. These are all the reasons why you can dispute your credit. They're basically saying we can dispute all these errors. Resold collections error, late payments error, deleted on other bureaus error, authorized user error, multiple inquiry error, bankruptcy error, duplicate error. So these are all kind of errors that could be on your credit. So basically, all you got to do is just dispute for all these varieties of reasons right here. I'm giving you guys game right now, so you can learn something today right now, and make a play right now, fix your credit right now. And that's how. All you got to do is just find out what's the reason. And it could be this reason, it could be that reason. But if you put in some work, you can find the reason straight like that. Even if you, ran it up and blew the card out, you can still find a reason to dispute it and win it and beat it straight like that. Keeping it all the way real. There's a variety of things you can do when you mess up your credit. You can get a credit sweep, which is what they're doing. They're doing a credit sweep. They're sweeping away the inaccurate information. So therefore, you don't have to pay that debt. All you got to do is just credit sweep it away, and it's gone. Credit score back good, and you can apply for credit all over again. Yes, facts. Or you can do pay for delete and pay like 50% or less of the balance. That'll also clean up your credit. Or you can do nothing, and in 7 years it'll fall off your credit, and then you have good credit again. But why wait 7 years? You get this stuff done. You can even do credit sweeps in 7 days. Okay, straight like that. But that's like identity theft. You have to have identity theft. If someone stole your identity, then that is possible to do. But if nobody stole your identity, I wouldn't do that. Let's see. So they have Credit Coach. Oh, wow, they got a YouTube channel. How about that? They got a YouTube channel. So we have Credit Coach. So I'm giving them some shine here. I don't got that much views though. It's kind of interesting. Uh-oh. Red flag maybe. They ain't got that much views though. Why the goon got way more views than this? Crazy views. I got way more. But hey. It is what it is. Because your channel be busting. Hit that like and subscribe button right now so the views keep going up. You So the website, DisputeAIPro.com. They're gonna have a robot do it. So they're telling you how it works, straight like that. They said it was free. All you gotta do is just pay $35 a month. Let's scroll down to the bottom now. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. I always recommend the goals to scroll down. Hit that facts. Frequently asked questions. So you don't ask some questions frequently, alright? Do it yourself? Yes, completely do it yourself program. How much does it cost to use the software? Monthly subscription, $35, and no other obligations. You can cancel anytime. Okay. What do you get for $35? You get the access to the 3 bureau reports, the identity theft, fraud insurance. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty important. You don't want to get your ID stolen. And so, does credit repair work? Yes, credit repair works. It is a process that requires time, patience, and diligence. Please see our statistics page, and you can see the results of our software. Okay, so you saw that page. We just peeped it. How long does it take? Full credit repair for an average person can take anywhere from 3 to 6 months. That's about right. It's about average, So software easy to use, absolutely. Just enroll, click all the negative items you want to dispute, and the system, the AI robot, will send the letters to your email for you to print out and mail. Okay, basically they just make the letters. So basically the AI robot will make the letters. You print it out and you mail it yourself. That's how this works. To provide resources to build or establish positive credit. Yes, to provide tons of resources to help build your credit back. Okay, visit the financial products page. They got all kind of gems and stuff to get you blasted off. Can you track your progress? Yes, you can. That's why you pay $35. Blah, blah, blah. What are the best practices for sending dispute letters? We recommend you print in color, single-sided. Recommend you send your letter certified mail for tracking as proof or receipt. This is all facts, so hit the facts, And as usual, this is not financial advice, all right? And I have 100% no affiliation to this website at all in any way, shape, form, or fashion. We're just browsing websites, browsing money sites for fun, okay? Like we always do for entertainment purposes only, alright? Do not try this at home. Straight like that. Some go crazy with you. Hey, don't come over here talking crazy. That's on you. This is entertainment purposes only. DisputeAIPro.com is the site though. So financial products, balance transfer calculator cards, and they're giving you different gems with cards. So what you do is just check over here, best personal loans. So they do give you resources though. I'll give you that. Got best balance transfer credit cards, best secured credit cards, best low interest credit cards. Okay, they give you some gems. Best Visa cards, best MasterCards. What's this? Find the best credit cards. So they're giving you some resources. Credit scores reports, business credit cards, all that. So they're giving you some stuff. So hey, found some gems in this. You know what to do, my goons. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off the crazy websites, the crazy credit game for the goons, You know how we do it. Spontaneous Productions, part 2. True to it. So, you found some value, do your goon a solid. Drop a donation right quick on the protein shake, because you about to go hit that gym and pump up later today. Get crazy buff, crazy swole. Pull up on crazy baddies and get them buffed too. So shoot the goon donation for the protein shake, It's all up. Or if you're feeling extra, super, mega, ultra generous for the Lamborghini down payments, so I can ride stupid sick and put it on the YouTube for the goons and we'll go crazy. I'll pull up on you in that thing, straight like that. Pull up on you. We're gonna ride and get the baddies together. You heard? So, whatever you drop, hey, it's all love always. Link in the description. And, if you want to learn gems, jewels, sauce, game, and methods that are epic, do yourself a solid. Join my private money group chat. Alright, it's 500. We got credit plays, money plays, all kind of stupid game. I got all kind of plugs, all kind of vendors, all kind of connects, all kind of things that'll make you connect. Connect to the bread, connect to the bands, connect to the advancement and the prosperity, alright? Lifetime membership. You pull up 500. Private money group chat. The chat's private for the money group. Straight like that. You're going to be happy you joined up. Every goon that joined up got prosperity up out of it. So shout out to the goons that tapped in already. So be another one. Pull up 500. Private money group chat. I got your back. Straight like that. And do your goon one more solid before you go. Follow me on Instagram at Spontaneous Productions. Till next time, my goons. So dispute that credit. Get that credit right. Blast off. 750 credit score. And then follow back to my old credit videos and I'll teach you how to get crazy amounts of credit crazy fast, alright? I got crazy credit gems, old videos, and them videos are timeless. They still work today, 2023. Straight like that. So, till next time, my guys. We out. Peace.